Okay, in this tutorial what I'm going to do to show you is how to get the update from the DFWA site onto the Stand 2 administration site, or Stand 2 site. Now we don't need to download their PDF file and upload it onto ours. All we need to do is link to it and set up a little bit of code inside the web page so that we can download it directly from the DFWA site. Right, so the first thing we need to do is go into our administration site on the Stand 2, go to Content, Article Manager, okay, select the category, and it should be newsletters, okay, and there's the article there. So we click on DFWA update, and that's the article. Okay, we'll just make this full screen so that we can see what we're doing easily. Okay, now you notice that we have in this one, it looks very much like what they have in the DFWA site. Okay, issue 268, 269, okay, and the list. Okay, our lists are a little bit different. Okay, 268, 269, and we have our list here. So all we need to do is just do a little bit of editing to get the 269. Alright, so the latest, their latest is 270. So 269 now becomes a past edition. So we just Control X to get that edit out. Hit Enter a few times, just so we have an extra line up there to put the latest one. Control V. Alright, just backspace that and get the spacing. Okay. Alright, so now in here we need to put in all of this text here. So we just copy this. Control C. Okay, and because we don't want their formatting in our article, we go paste as plain text. Okay. Otherwise it'll copy all their formatting and plonk it in there. Control V. Okay, unbold that. Okay, now notice there's no bullet in here, but that's fine. What we're going to do is we're going to just use the vertical line here. So we have new executive director just here. We go space, shift backslash, and space. Okay, and that's where we're out of there. So now what we need to do here is go into the link, which is this is the link to the PDF file. We right click on their link on the DFWA site, copy the link address. We go back into our own site, and we'll go to issue 270, hit the hyperlink button. Okay, and in the URL can go Control V. Okay, and that's all you need to do. Don't need to worry about the target, because we're going to set it up so that it'll actually download through a pop-up window. Alright, once you're done there, we just move this up a bit so I can show you the insert. Hit the insert button. Okay, and there's our link there. Now what we need to do here is we need to let me just get this centered back again. We need to hit the source code. Alright, there's something we need to do before we finish this off. Let's just backspace that as well. Alright, hit the source code button. Okay, and now what we're looking for here is we're looking for this area here. See the rel, this piece of code, rel box plus PDF. Okay, we want that piece there. Now I'm just going to put a pop-up window so you can copy this piece of code. Right, the rel box plus PDF. So there it is there. Right, if you can't find it, just grab that section of code and hit Control C to copy it. So you highlight and copy it. So we go Control C. Now we need to look for is the latest update, the one we just put in. Okay, and it's issue 270. So what we need to find is issue 270. Okay, it'll be up the top here somewhere. There it is there, issue 270. Okay, and you look for the ahref section of code beforehand, which is that section there, and just after the hyperlink you hit space, Control V. Okay, and put that rel equals box plus hyphen PDF. Okay, this section here, that little bit of code, will allow the download to become a pop-up on your site so that people can download it. Right, so once we've done that, we hit the source code again. Okay, we just come out of full screen mode, go up, save and close. Okay, and we're done. Now we're going to have a look at the site. Okay, newsletters, DFWA update, Okay, and there it is, issue 270. Now we need to go back and make it bold. Alright, we can do that in a little bit later. But watch what happens when I click on the link now. Notice the pop-up window appears. It's downloading the PDF file, and there it is. People can actually save it as their own file, they can view it, and we didn't have to actually download it and upload it onto our own site. Okay, we can actually get this from the DFWA site, and it looks like we've got it on our site, but it's all their work. Okay, we don't have to reproduce their work for it. Okay, and that's how you load a DFWA newsletter onto our site using their uploaded document on their server. Hope that helps. I'll see you on the next tutorial.